Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and recently a viewer wrote in and asked if I had any ideas to help them get their leg over their bicycle. So I'm gonna try to show some ideas that I might have for getting your leg over your bicycle. The thing about the body is it operates, we have a movement economics. So if we create a demand on the body will typically try to create a supply for us to meet our demand. Basically what that means is we use it, we get to keep it and build it. If we don't use it, we lose it. So, because if we don't create a demand, there is no supply to meet that demand. And then, it's weird because no demand means no supply. So by not creating a demand, you are creating a supply for nothing. So it's just kind of weird. Anyway, but my idea is to how can you improve your mobility and your stability and your balance to be able to swing your leg over a bicycle. You just get you a bench or a chair or something and an obstacle, and you just practice. And it might be that, you start out low, like if it's a low one, and you just work on how slow can I challenge my body to get my leg up over. So can I build stability and balance on one side while I use the mobility of the other side. And then you can even work on how slow can you transition from one side to the other. See, I got caught, but here we go. And then can I come back and control? Now I'm challenging stability and balance on this side while I was doing mobility on the other. And again, you could just work it back and forth. And really, I guess the thing to do is play, be curious and explore. And then you can do it so many different ways. Like you can work on mobility here. You can really challenge yourself by getting your body over the leg and seeing where you can control. And you can also do like, well, heck, could I do it backwards? Can I try to figure out a way to get over something backwards? Can I do it forward? You ever see Steve Austin? Which I'm doing slow motion. They made that sound when he was doing fast motion. But there are so many different ways to start playing to challenge your stability and balance on one side and your mobility on the other side. And it's simple and silly, but it works. So if you show up often enough though and you challenge your body through curiosity and movement, it will start to give you what you're asking for it. And there's so many different ways to do this. You can practice swinging over, swinging back. You can practice just laterally getting over. You can practice some weird forward sweep. So many different ways. Your only limitation is going to be your imagination, but the goal would be to show up often enough. And you can make this higher if you wanted to, so I could really, like if it was really high, I could try to get up and over it in some way. Anyway, that's my tip, is ask your body for what you want by showing up and trying to get it, asking for it through movement. That's my tip for this week. Maybe it will help you get over your bicycle, or it will just help you look really, really cool at parties. All right, guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net to register.